Hi. I'm Teddy and you are watching Top Review. Subscribe to our channel to see more reviews in future. If you're tired of the long lines and ridiculous prices of your local cafe, it's time to invest in your own coffee maker. But what if you aren't sure where to begin? What if you need a starting point for further research? We've put together a list of the best coffee makers for the modern buyer. The 5 best coffee makers. OXO on Barista Brain 9-cup coffee maker. We like. Internal microprocessor for brewing and timing. Steady temperature control. Smart design. We don't like. Pricey. Although a simple, straightforward drip machine, the Barista Brain has several features that make it even more easy and convenient to use. These features include microprocessor-controlled brew system. This means the machine is powered by a computing system. It replicates the pour-over method for fuller extraction. Can make 2 to 9 cups in one pot. Heater. The water is heated and held at the perfect temperature for coffee, so you are guaranteed a nice hot cup to drink, but it won't be hot enough to impair the flavor of the coffee. Rainmaker shower head. This great feature means that the water isn't funneled into the machine in a single stream. Instead, it is evenly sprinkled across the surface of your coffee grounds to ensure the extraction is even and the full flavor is extracted. LED interface. The LED screen displays a clock and the status of your coffee. This includes a freshness countdown so you can be sure you'll never risk drinking your coffee when it's not at its best. It can also be set to any time in a 24-hour period so it comes on and brews your coffee for exactly when you want it. This machine is super easy to use. Add your freshly ground coffee and fill up the water tank. Then simply select how many cups you want to make and the machine does the rest. The coffee this machine makes tastes really good and produces a nice, strong flavor. This machine has even been certified by SCAA, Specialty Coffee Association of America, which is the hallmark of a good coffee maker. It's also worth noting that the product isn't compatible with transformers, and if it's used outside of the US, the warranty will be void. Bonavita 8-cup coffee brewer. We like. Compact enough to blend into your kitchen. Makes good tasting coffee fast. Dishwasher friendly parts. Easy on your pocket. Simple to use. We don't like. No timer. No brew stopper. With a Bonavita coffee brewer, you're just one press of a button away from a perfect cup of coffee. The fab features of this machine include simple, one-touch brewing. 1400 watt water heater. This high-powered heater ensures the water is heated quickly to the perfect temperature, and then that temperature is maintained throughout the brewing process to ensure you get the maximum extraction from your coffee for the richest, deepest flavor. Shower head water inlet. The shower head water inlet ensures that the water is passed evenly through the coffee grounds, which again ensures you are getting the maximum extraction and the best flavor and aroma from the beans. Stainless steel thermal carafe. The thermal lining and stainless steel exterior of the carafe ensure that your coffee is kept hot for as long as possible. Easy cleaning. The filter basket, the carafe lid and the shower head water inlet are all dishwasher safe, meaning cleaning this machine is as easy as it gets. BPA free. All of the plastics used in making the machine are BPA free, meaning no nasty chemicals. Large brewing capacity. Brew up to 8 cups at once. Automatic power off feature. This feature ensures you'll never again forget to switch off your machine after use and waste power and therefore money. Professionally recognized. The Bonavita is certified by the Specialty Coffee Association of America. We were really impressed with this machine. It's such a simple process. Add water. Add coffee. Switch on and go. The machine consistently made great tasting coffee, and it kept warm for ages. The temperature is consistently correct and the coffee isn't just warm, it's hot. We also found it brewed really quickly too, with the average pot taking around 7 minutes of brewing time. Hamilton Beach Brewstation 12-cup coffee maker. We like. Adjustable settings for different brew options. The lack of carafe, no extra cleaning. The programmable on and off settings. Front-end display menu. Easy one-handed design. We don't like. You have to fill and refill a cup until it's all gone. Hard to move the machine in and out. No temperature control. The Hamilton Beach 12-cup brew station coffee maker offers convenient one-hand dispensing without a conventional glass carafe. There's no pouring or spills and nothing to break or replace. The features of the Hamilton Beach brew station coffee maker include one-hand dispensing. The lack of a carafe means you just pop your cup under the dispense spout and dispense your coffee one cup at a time. Versatile brewing options. You can choose from regular brewing, bold brewing for a stronger flavor, and iced coffee. You can also choose to brew a small batch of 1 to 3 cups. Automatic shut-off. This ensures you never again forget to turn your machine off, wasting power and costing you money. You can choose to set the automatic shut-off from 1 to 4 hours. Built-in water heater. The heater ensures a consistent temperature, and the lack of heating plate means your coffee won't have that scorched taste that some machines can incur. Firstly, you use the carrying tank to fill the machine to your desired level. Then add your coffee. Next, you choose what type of brew you want, regular, bold or iced. Switch the machine on and that's it. You can also program it to come on at a set time so you can have freshly brewed hot coffee for waking up to or returning from work. The machine is easy to use and the internal storage tends to keep the coffee hot for longer than a carafe would. The lack of a carafe also simplifies the cleaning process, it's one less thing to clean. The machine keeps your coffee hot for around 4 hours, which is pretty good for these kinds of machines. The coffee has a good flavor with no scorched taste, and you can definitely taste the difference between the regular and the bold brews. Mr. Coffee 12-cup coffee maker. We like the ability to pause mid-brew and pour a cup when you want it. The choice of a glass or a thermal carafe. The ridiculously low price. Filtered water. We didn't like. The Mr. Coffee machine isn't as pretty as some other models. The minimum brew is 4 cups. The LCD clock isn't illuminated. The Mr. Coffee 12-cup programmable coffee maker features a modern design and is thermal carafe compatible to extend fresh coffee flavor and help retain a hot temperature longer. The features of the Mr. Coffee machine include a choice between a glass carafe or a thermal carafe. Delay brew timer. This feature means you can set the machine up and then set a timer for when you want the machine to start brewing the coffee so you can wake up to freshly brewed coffee. Freshness timer. This timer ensures the coffee you're drinking is still fresh and will indicate when it's time to throw it away. Brew strength selector. You can choose from a normal brew or a bold brew for added strength if you like your coffee to really pack a punch. Water filter. An added water filter removes the chemicals from your water, giving you an even better flavor in your coffee. Brewing pause and serve. This feature is great if you're brewing a full pot of coffee and you just can't wait to get stuck in. You can pause the brewing process and pour yourself a cup, then restart the brewing process. Auto shut off. This machine can be programmed to shut off 2 hours after you brew your coffee. This is great as it means you don't have to be constantly aware of having to go and turn the machine off after the allotted time. We were pleasantly surprised to discover that this machine works as well as any other model on the market. People say you get what you pay for. When we stopped to compare the list of features on this machine with the features on more expensive machines, it makes us wonder if that's true. Are you paying more for things because you expect that cheaper products won't work as well? If that's the case, then you can relax. This machine works as well as any of the others we tested. Moccamaster coffee brewer with thermal carafe. We like. The machine looks nice and it feels sturdy and durable. The coffee tastes amazing. It's easy to use. We don't like. Doesn't have a pre-programmable setting. The price. Technivore manufactures only authentic Moccamaster coffee brewers and grinders made with the highest quality parts available today. Our philosophy has always been to produce long-lasting, reliable, energy-efficient and recyclable products, says the manufacturer. The features of the Moccamaster KBT include stainless steel thermal carafe to retain heat and keep your brewed coffee warmer for longer. Pulse action brewing. The pulse action throughout the brewing process allows for a consistent extraction that will bring you the maximum flavor and aroma every time. Certified by Specialty Coffee Association of America. Certified by Specialty Coffee Association of Europe. Won the European Coffee Brewing Center Golden Cup Award. Drip stop available. This means you can pause the brewing and remove the carafe to pour yourself a cup of coffee before the entire pot is ready. The machine is simple to use. Simply add your desired level of coffee and desired amount of water and hit the on button. The coffee tastes amazing. It really does complete a full extraction with just the right temperature of water, and you can taste the difference between the coffee this machine produces and the coffee other machines produce. It's important to experiment with quantities of coffee and water to get your exact flavor requirements, because once you do, you won't look back. A good starting point is 6 scoops of coffee to 8 cups of water. Play around and find your flavor. This Technivorm machine is highly durable when properly maintained. Obviously we haven't been able to test that, but a 5-year warranty by the manufacturer says they are confident it will last. That's the best advantage this product can boast by far. If this review was helpful, please leave a like on the video. You can also subscribe to our channel for more future reviews and ask any questions in comments.